Caleb, are you ready?
Yeah, just give me a minute.
Okay, hurry up.
All right, I'm ready.
Where's your jacket at?
It's on me?
No, I need you to put on a real jacket.
This is a real
Jacket, Mom.
No, put on your big coat.
I don't need my big coat.
It's negative 32 outside.
That's not even that cold.
Yes, it is very cold.
No, I was out in short sleeve shirts and a shorts the other day, negative 32.
No, you were not.
Yes, I was.
Grab your coat right now, or you're not coming.
Okay, fine. I grabbed it. I'm gonna leave it in the car.
No, you're not leaving it in the car.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not. Put it on.
I don't want to put it on.
It's literally freezing out there.
Mom, I'm only walking from the car to the grocery store.
Yeah, and you're gonna put the coat on.
I'm literally sweating right now. If I put on my big jacket, I'm gonna die.
You'll get cold once you step outside.
No, once I get outside, I'm still gonna die because it's hot out there.
It's actually incredibly
No.
cold.
It's not.
Put on your coat or you're grounded.
fine. Gosh, I hate this stupid.
Yeah, you'll thank me later. Do I hear you complaining?
No.